Hey, thank you for joining me on Dishing with me, Heather D. I got the best and one of the most magnificent recipes that I got coming to you. It's a delicious pasta salad. This is a little different, but let me tell you, you and your family will enjoy, and this recipe is perfect for any large gathering you're planning to have or attend. So stay tuned to see how I get this pasta salad put together. A perfect crowd pleaser, I tell you. We start off this recipe by cooking our pasta according to the box instructions. I did not have enough of this type of pasta, so I did add some elbow macaroni into it. We're going to have our cucumber, we have our tomato, they both have been washed, and I'm adding some of the sun-dried tomato vinaigrette. You can use Italian dressing, that works just as well. Baby corn, the black pepper, olives, I have chickpeas, I have green olives, I have some pimentos in a jar. This is some artichokes that I have that are in the olive oil base, and for optional, this is some mild banana peppers if you want that little spice kick. Of course, don't forget some imitation bacon bits. You can freshly cook your bacon if you want. I just wanted to do the imitation because I'm trying to keep this vegetarian. I began by chopping up my tomato. I'm only using half because the other half is going with another recipe that I'm preparing. And then I'm adding it all inside of our vegetable bowl that's going to be added to our pasta once it's done cooking. I'm also going to quarter these baby carrots. Not carrots, the baby corn that's going inside here. I'm using the olive oil and some of the juice from the artichoke so that way it'll give this salad a nice flavor as well. And I'm just cutting these up. We kind of want all of our vegetables to be almost the same size. The black olives, the same thing. I'm just kind of quartering them. If you have the small olives, you won't have to cut them. You can leave them whole if you like. If you're planning to feed this to small children, make sure you know that they are cut up into little pieces. I'm using a half of the can of the chickpeas. I'm using half of the jar of the pimentos. And then I'm also going to add about a half of the jar of the green olives, which also has pimentos in them as well. But these are pretty small in size, so I did not have to cut those. I'm draining my pasta, and then I also rinsed it twice in cool water to kind of cool it down some. Now, when my daughter tasted it, she noticed that the salt had pretty much washed away when I rinsed it, so I went ahead and added just a pinch of salt to the pasta so that way all the flavors can absorb in the pasta as they're being mixed together. Once your pasta is inside of a larger bowl, you want to go ahead and add all your vegetables that you've cut up, and you want to add your herbs and spices. So right here, I'm just adding a couple dashes of the black pepper. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of my vegetable seasoning mix. This is such a good seasoning mix that you can add to almost any dish. And I'm also going to add about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can use fresh minced garlic powder. Fresh minced garlic if you like, but nobody in my family is really big on fresh garlic. I'm going to add also my imitation bacon bits, and you can also add freshly, finely chopped red onion to this. That gives this a really nice flavor. And if you had some bell peppers, it'll also give it some great flavor too. Now we're adding our dressing, and like I said, you can use olive oil dressing like an Italian dressing, or I just chose to use the red sun-dried tomato dressing, and it just really gives this salad a really nice flavor. You want to go ahead and combine everything. Make sure everything is mixed well from the bottom to the top. And there you have it. Your pasta salad is ready to go. This is so good and great for any type of occasion. It is great for a midweek snack, a side dish, whatever. And of course, you can add those banana peppers all the way through your pasta or just add them on top for those who like it. Now for the taste test. And there you have it. This delicious pasta salad. It is going to be a crowd pleaser, but we about to taste it to make sure that this is what I'm talking about. Make sure that all the flavors and the seasonings, because I know this is going to be bomb at your next big event. A little banana pepper. Give it that little spice kick. The crunch of those cucumbers. This pasta alone can be a meal for me. If you want, you can even add diced chicken breast to this. Make it taste even better. So, if this is a recipe you think you would try, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. This will be definitely one of your go-to side dishes for any barbecue you're a part of, any church potluck, for those churches who are having potlucks. Just a quick midweek snack. Like I said, add some chicken to it or something. This is a go-to. I'm going to finish this up and finish cleaning up my kitchen. But I just want to say thank you for watching. God bless, and you know what to do. Leave a comment if this is something you would want to try.